नमस्कार. आयच्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आमी आसा कंपाल इंडोर स्टेडियम हांगासर आनी हांगासर रिजनल चॅम्पियनशीप 2024 रोबोटिक्साचें कॉम्पिटिशन चालू आसा. हांगासरले 5 कॅटेगरी आसा ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान आनी 5 कॅटेगरींतले दर कॅटेगरींतले 3 चॅम्पियनशीप फुडले नॅशनल लेवला खातीर पार्टिसिपेट जातले जे अहमदाबाद जावपाचे आसा. जाणून घेया ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना बद्दल ऑर्गनायझरा कडल्यान तांकां रिस्पॉन्स कसो भुरग्यांचो ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना खातीर हे सगळे आमी जाणा जावन घेया. आमी सध्या आसा इंडोर स्टेडियम कांपाल हांगासर आनी हांगासर रोबोटिक्साचें कॉम्पिटिशन चालू आसा आनी त्या निमतान हांगासर यूएसच्यान स्पेशल एक टीम येयलेली आसा. जाणून घेया त्या टीमी बद्दल तेंच्यांनी कितें रोबोट केला तो.
Hi, I'm Nidhi from Girls in Robotics, a US-based nonprofit organization, and we host robotics workshops. So we've been an organization since 2018-2019, and every year we come to Goa and go to other places as well, and we conduct robotics workshops for schools, and we build robots such as this one, and we teach the children how to build, program, and control the robots. And so we are also open to looking for more schools who want to sign up. They can contact us at team@girlsinrobotics.org. We are full for this year, but next year and for future, we will be looking for more schools to expose them to the world of robotics.
Okay, you all teach to the students, right, of the schools. How many schools do you target every year?
So every year we target around 3 to 4 schools, and so we try to fit in as many as we can because we love sharing what we do with as many people as we can.
Okay. In a gist, tell us about this robot.
Okay, so this is a metal robot. It has a Mecanum chassis, which means it can go forward, backwards, left, right, and diagonal. And it also has a linear slide on it, and it can go up and down, as well as another motor that can make the arm swing. And it also has a drone launcher, which can launch paper airplanes. And it is controlled by 2 brains, which are the hubs of the robot. And that stores all the programs and all the autonomous program as well as the driver control programs are stored in there, and it connects to all the wires and the battery. And this robot can put cones onto the poles as well as launch the paper airplanes.
हांगासर रोबोटिक्स कॉम्पिटिशनाच्या हांगासर एक सेक्शन आसा जो एंटरप्रेन्युअरशिप ह्या खातीर आसा.
We are Team SGI Junior Coders and we are representing our school, St. Joseph's Institute, Vasco. Okay, so as per an US report 2023, 16% of teens undergo depression, which is more than 4 million adolescents. And this robot is specially designed for them to help them. Now, when teens are alone, this is an important phase of their life and they will go through many changes which they have to adapt to. So this robot will make them feel easy, and there is no such robot which is specially designed for teens. So this is the first robot. Now here we have many features for teens. Like first we have, like the child is feeling uneasy to tell to his friends or parents that this and this happened to me today. But when it tells it to robot, it like robot will not judge you based on emotions and all. It will judge you clearly. It will give you backup. Then so whatever happened throughout your day, teens in schools, then it can share to robot. And also this whatever happened, that information will be sent to email of their parents. So parents can also know that child is going through such and such things, so they can keep a track on what they are going. Then second we have RoSolve. Now this is also an education boot when the teen is a phase where our mind thinks more. Okay, so we have some silly questions which we cannot ask someone else, like might be, and good questions also. Why is the sky blue? Who is this? Who is that? We can all ask him, and then detailed answer it will share to our email address also.
And there is one more feature which like whenever the teenager is feeling lonely or he's feeling stressed, depressed, he can ask our robot, and like our robot can share, the teen can share everything to the robot. So the robot also will give like what is happening with you, like he can tell the detailed thing. So it is like a healthcare for you. And then there is one more option. We have games also. Like we thought if it is a good mentor, if it is a good friend, then it has to have some features that will make the child to feel nice and when they play and all. So it has games also.
I am Anirban Sarkar, and we have used in our robot the IFTTT extension, and the robot feels you. It can like think your way. It will think that if you are the person, so it can tell you which are your good friends, which are your bad friends, give you decisions based upon your feelings, and that much only I would like to say.
Hello team. I welcome you wholeheartedly. My name is Yuva and I am here to help you. May I know your name? Here's G Junior Coders, can you type your email address? Here's G Junior Coders, can you type your age? Here's G Junior Coders, thanks for providing your details. Here, you will find various options which will help you and get solutions to your problems. There are features like your friend, talk in many games, and to use it you have to touch the sensors 2, 3 and 4 on the Corky Boa. 18. What are you thinking about? Okay. I wish you have a fantastic day tomorrow.
How the idea came to your mind for such a project?
Yes, so we are teens first of all. So then it came to our mind, if we are doing some innovation, we have to do to some community. Okay, so we thought we are school students, why don't we do something for us? Then we are teens. Okay, then in our class also there are many children who are staying alone at home, parents are going to work, they feel lonely. So we thought of doing an AI friend, a companion for that person, which can always be with him, like he can share the things. That was
Sir, welcome to Goa first of all, and welcome to the competition.
Thank you.
Your good name, sir?
Kian.
From which school?
I'm from Dhirubhai Ambani International School.
So what is your robot all about?
So what I've created is Sightcraft. It's an indoor assistant for the blind. And what I realized while doing a bit of research is that in India, there are 6.2 million people who are blind. 55 million people are severely visually impaired. And they have a lot of problems in identifying people and prose, which is like text. So what I thought I'd do is create a device using artificial intelligence, which we hear about everywhere today, and which will basically identify the faces of your near and dear ones. So let's say I have some family who's visually impaired. What his companion or best friend or father brother would do is they take a lot of pictures of me and a couple of other people, and they'd save the contact so that later when the visually impaired person uses Sightcraft, all you have to do is click a button and they can identify who exactly it is, are they related to them. So they will say that, hey, it's Kian. And similarly, we have a text recognition feature. So if you want a medicine or like an electricity bill, all you have to do is press a button and they can see what text is on that document without it having to be in braille.
How you thought about this idea?
So before this idea, I made two other ideas for the impaired. So my first innovation was Sightcraft, who is an innovation for the hearing impaired, the dumb. And what it does is it translates Indian Sign Language into text using a long short-term based neural network. And I made Speechcraft, which helps children with verbal autism. And I've just wanted to make this entire thing Abilitech based on people with disabilities, because I believe that in today's day, technology, especially artificial intelligence, can be used to bridge together inequalities.
How the idea came to your mind?
So, in fact, my Bada Dadu is visually impaired. He became visually impaired later in life when he was 60, 70. And since then, he's always had a lot of trouble. When there's a person walking past, he don't identify himself, he feels scared, feels dependent, and whenever there's text, he feels dependent on everyone. There's not that level of security. And I thought that I know how to code, how to develop things. I should develop something for the visually impaired, which can be accessed by everyone, which is more cost effective than all the other solutions there are, and which is more accessible to everyone, no matter where they are.
रोबोटिक्सा बद्दल जी कॉम्पिटिशन चालू आसा त्या कॉम्पिटिशनाचे ऑर्गनायझर्स आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा. सर तुमचे दोगांचे स्वागत आमच्या कार्यावळीन. सो ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना बद्दल मातशें सांगा आनी आयज कितल्यो टीम्स आसा, फुडें हेंचें कितें जातलें हें सगळें सांगा.
Actually, Mr. Dhruv would be right person to talk about the WSRO as a competition.
Okay.
But in this year, we already had a lot of robotics competition in Goa, right? From very high-tech competitions to very informative and challenging competitions like what we have today. Why in Goa and why robotics, right? Two questions generally come into picture. Why in Goa? I would rather say why not in Goa? Just like every child in the world, the kids from Goa should also get an opportunity to display their skills, and we can see that there are a lot of motivated parents, smart students who are actually taking part, learning this and doing this in a very short time. And this is a chance for them to come and show their talent and probably even connect with larger network when they win and go to the nationals. Right? So this is a very good opportunity for literally everyone, and it's nice to see that today we have 89 teams participating in the Goa regional of WSRO, out of which 6 teams are actually out of Goa. Right, so people from nearby regions have also come here. That also makes it kind of like semi-national today's event. I'm pretty sure people and students will get to learn from each other at the end of it.
So this is the first time that's World STEM and Robotics Olympiad is conducting the competitions in Goa, specifically in a field of robotics and STEM. So as you know, as a part of new education policy, that's robotics, AI, that is a part of the subject. And now being as an industries people industries always want the skill ready people. So the skill is always coming from that in school level. Because once they are coming in the market, unfortunately, they are not dealing with this kind of a technology kind of stuff. So that is what the thought process that we have. And this is the 7th seasons for the WSRO since last 7 of the year that we are conducting these competitions for the regional level, national level and the international level as well. And this Goa, that is the first time, right? And look at that, this in charm of this, all the participants that in morning, right? And there are more than 250 plus participants are participating in the various competitions. Specifically, that's I'm enlightening for such competitions like an entrepreneur and the young scientists, right? So like a 5-year, 6-year old students are making some product in a field of robotics and having some vision and missions that to solving their actual problem by the using of this kind of a technology, right? So it is a very good things for that Goa and the Goa people, and I am very happy that the winners from all these Goa competitions, they will be coming in the national competitions in a month of September. And that is not only the stop, but they just representing of that technology for the national and the international level. That is what the thought process behind it, to making the students, to train the students in a field of technology ready, specifically for the robotics and STEM.
You mentioned that this is the first time in Goa. So how has been the experience so far from morning, and how has been the response of the young budding children?
Oh yeah, so Goa is a very famous and the popular for the tourist point of view, right? But today is the day that, there's another day of Saturday that apart from the students, the excitement of the parents is also be very, very high, right? There are more than 100 plus parents is already roaming out these competitions and all. They are continuous cheer-ups and all, right? And the energy level is completely high, right? Obviously that we are organizing these competitions on this indoor stadium, and it is nearby. That's a very popular beaches and the runway is that, but it is a completely a jam-packed response that we got that, right? And the students are eagerly waiting to, they see representing that his talent among these all 250 plus students. And we wish that out of these 250, that's number and more number of students are coming out of the Goa, and they just representing his skill that not only the Goa centric, but for the national centric and specifically for the India centric and all.
So thank you for talking to us, and hope to see you in future with more such competitions. And as you have mentioned, this is a Saturday, a weekend, but today is a day where it is a day of sharing the knowledge and showing your talent to the world. Thank you, sir. आयची जी पिढी आसा, जे आयचे भुरगे आसात, ते आमी सदांच म्हणटा की दे आर टॅलंटेड, दे नो टेक्नॉलॉजी, दे एडाप्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी फास्ट. आमच्या वांगडा आयज एक अशेच मानेस्त आसा जे भुरगे आसात आनी खूब धाकटे भुरगे आसात तांकां पळोवन अक्षरशः अशें दिसता की हे भुरगे अशें सुद्दां करूं शकतात. दे आर सो टॅलंटेड. तुका आमच्या कार्यावळीन येवकार. वेलकम टू आवर शो. युअर नेम
Ronak Chodankar.
एंड युअर पार्टनर्स नेम.
She is Ariana Chodankar.
Okay. So you have made this model. What is this model about?
So the model's name is Ekatra, and the main focus is to connect all the hospitals together in Goa.
Okay. So how does it function?
So we have created an app and a website.
Yeah.
So as you can see over here, all of the hospitals are connected together on one platform. You have e-pharmacy, e-laboratory, e-radiology, and much more. We have created an app also over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the app is available on the Play Store.
No, it's not published yet. It's
Huh.
just a prototype, both the app and website.
Okay. So does it? What does it create? Does it help? How does it help?
It has many functions like a virtual diabetes coach. So you can chat with the virtual diabetes coach, and you can have this is for people with chronic diseases.
Okay.
And you can make appointments with doctor on your phone.
Okay.
You can make virtual sessions with doctors also.
Okay.
If it is really needed, then you can make an appointment on the phone and go to the visit at the hospital.
Okay. So it's a prior appointment, taking appointment machine. It can be done.
So this is a pulse sensor. You can put your finger over here, and you will see a pulse here like this. Then this is the website over here. I've created a robotic arm over here for robotic surgeries. So you can do the surgeries with this robotic arm over here. Next over here I have a moisture sensor. So when there is full insulin over there, it won't make a sound. But when you keep the moisture sensor in, if the insulin gets over, then the moisture sensor will start beeping on the doctor's phone like this. This is the sound module. So it's connected together like that. So I also have an app over here. I've created it on Wix, so there is no coding over here. The app's name is called as Ekatra. You have many options over here, including virtual diabetes coach. You can chat with them over here, like this.
Okay. So if you have any problem, you can chat with.
You can just chat with them. You can make appointments with the doctor and much more.
Okay. How the idea came to your mind?
So both our parents are doctors, so we wanted to do something that will help them. So we conducted a survey on SurveyMonkey, and we got some results saying that you need more technology for healthcare, and in rural areas there isn't much resources for healthcare. So we have included all of that in our project here.
So this is my autonomous underwater vehicle, or AUV. We're going to submerge this in the water, and we'll show the example. So now we're going to submerge this in the water. This is the camera, ESP32. Yeah, okay. It's now we'll press the forward button. The submersible pumps under the wings help it to go forward. We can dive with the ones that are facing on the top here. Yeah, like this. It will dive quite slowly because we can even switch on the light down there. So this is how it turns the left. Then it's mission mode again. This AUV is made of that acrylic plastic that you get. So it can go maximum up to 50 meters under the water.
तुम्ही टीम आणि तुमचे खंयच्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक तुम्ही हे केला?
आमच्या टिमीचे नाव आशिल्लें टीम टेक्नो VR, आणि तातूंत हांव आनी माय पार्टनर आशिल्ले. तातूंत आमी रोबो रेसान आमचो रोबोट सॅडली चडना जालो आतां. त्या दोनूय हातून आमचो आयलो सारको. त्या हातून एका राउंडान सिलेक्ट जालो, ह्या हातून दोनूय राउंडाक सिलेक्ट जालो.
ते नाव?
राजवी.
ओके. कॉम्पिटिशनाक कशें दिसलें येवन?
चांगले वाटले.
आणि ह्याच्या फुडें तूं कॉम्पिटिशनान भाग घेतले
हय
आमच्या वांगडा आसा क्युरियस मायंड हेची टीम सर तुमकां आमच्या कार्यावळीन येवकार
थँक्यू.
ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना बद्दल तुमकां कितें दिसता लोकांचो भुरग्यांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसा
Actually, एकदम बरो प्रोग्राम जाला हो. This program is organized by Visro and Curious Minds. We have participated in this program, and it was a really good event to see for the teachers, for the parents, and of course, first-hand experience for the children. And as Curious Minds, we have seen many of our children with the kids having participated, making robots here and participating in the events. Some of them have even won the competition.
आतां फुडें ज्यो टिम्स वयतल्यो तांकां तुमकां कितें मेसेज दिवपाक जाय जे अहमदाबाद वयतल्यो क्वॉलिफाय जातल्यो हांगासरल्यान तांकां कितें मेसेज दिवपाक आनी जे हांगासरल्यान जे खंय तरी फाटीं पडले बट दे वॉज नॉट बॅड बट खंय तरी फाटीं पडले इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिशन आफ्टर ऑल तांकां तुमकां कितें मेसेज दिवपाक
Actually, ekdam good that the competition happened. Though the teams that lost have got a lot to learn, and it is an experience. Without trying, you will never get an experience. So the teams who have lost, they will really work better this time. And the teams that have won, I think 5 teams per game have qualified for Ahmedabad. So it's a good opportunity for the children.
अशा प्रकारचे कॉम्पिटिशन आमी पळयता की ऑर्गनायज जाता तेन्ना भुरग्यांक एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळटा तुमकां कितें सांगपाचें आसा कॉम्पिटिशना बद्दल
सो एक 2-3 गोष्टी आसा एक्चुअली कॉम्पिटिशन एक भाग आसा कॉम्पिटिशन आसता पूण तेजी तयारी एक दुसरो भाग आसा सो क्युरियस मायंड आमचे तर आमी भुरग्यांक हे तयार आमच्या सायडीच्यान तयार आमचे पार्टनर्स आसा सगळे ऑल ओवर गोवासून बिचोलेसून मार्सेल पणजी मडगांव म्हापसा अशें करून हे ट्रेनींग सेंटर्स जे आसा तेच ट्रेनींग सेंटर्स ह्या भुरग्यांक एफर्ट्स घेवन त्या भुरग्यांक तयार केले आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक जे तयार केले बरोबर ओके डिसअपॉयंटमेंट जाता आनी बरे तांकां भुरग्यांक फुडें वचपाची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा बट डिसअपॉयंटमेंट एक्चुली मोटिवेट्स अस टू डू बेटर नेक्स्ट टायम सो जे कोणी डिसअपॉयंट जाले किंवा जे कोणाक दिसता आमी हांगा आसूंक जाय आसले ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळूंक जायना सो तांकां आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा की फुडल्या वर्सा तर ह्या वर्सा चुकले जाल्यार फुडल्या वर्सा बरे पद्दतीन येवन भुरग्यांनी तयारी करी आमचे सेंटर्स आसा ऑल ओवर गोवा ट्रेनींग सेंटर्स आसा आमचे स्वताचे किट आसा लर्निंग किट आसा ते लर्निंग किट घेवन ट्रेनींग घेवन तुमी ट्रेनींग घेवन बरे भशेन पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आसा सो basically the message is disappointment is not there at all whatever is there is happiness because it's a event that has happened and first time in Goa it has happened regional level 89 participating teams is also a big achievement so overall it's a good feeling.
Hi friends, robotics and AI is the future of India. So Prudent Media and Curious Minds have come up with a program for all the children all over Goa. So you need to see that program. It's going to be on Tuesday at 8:30 and Sunday at 1:30 and 7:30. So all of you, all children along with parents are supposed to please see this program where you're going to get a lot of ideas on what is robotics and what is actual world of robotics. So please do see that. And also the name of the program is Techno Rich and it is hosted by one of the prominent person from Indian Defence Team. Thank you.
सर आयज कॉम्पिटिशन चालू आसा आमी पळयलां आनी सकाळच्यान हांगासर सारकी भुरग्यांक ती उमेद आमकां दिश्टी पडटा कशें चल्लां कॉम्पिटिशन
खरेंच बरें जालां रिस्पॉन्स बरो आयला आमकां आतां कळटा की फ्युचर जें आसा पळय तें रोबोटिक्सांक चड वतलें ऑटोमेशनाक चड वतलें आनी ऑटोमेशनाक पेरंट्स सुद्दां अलर्ट जाल्ले आसा की आपल्याल्या भुरग्याचो करियर फुडें कितें आसा इन फ्युचर सगळें ऑटोमेटेड जावपा आसा सो रोबोटिक्सान जाता तितले भुरग्यांनी पार्टिसिपेट करचें अशें पेरंट्सांक दिसता आनी ताका लागून हो सगळो क्रावड तुमकां आमकां दिश्टी पडटा हो फ्युचराक आतां तरी हें कांय न्ही म्हाका दिसता हें जस्ट 2% हाका 100% जाल्यार हांगा केदें व्हडलो ग्रावंड जाय पडटलो हें आमी सांगूंक शकना सो त्या खातीर दीस इज अ जस्ट स्टार्ट आनी दीस इज अ फर्स्ट टायम इट इज ऑर्गनायज इन द गोवा आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता इन फ्युचराक हाका भरपूर डिमांड येतलो आनी ऑटोमेशन जातलें आनी ऑटोमेशन जाल्ले कारणान आमची जी इकॉनॉमी रेट आसा पळय ती हॅन्स फोर्थ वाडून वतली डबल जातली आनी तोच आमकां गोंयांक तरी म्हाका दिसता बऱ्या पडटलो कित्याक जे मायनींग सेक्टरान इनकम कमी जाल्लें आसा तर ह्या सेक्टराक कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करून IT सेक्टरान ताका आनी इनकम सोर्स वाडपाची शक्यता आसा
कितें आसा हो तुमचो मॉडल आनी कशें कितें फंक्शन करता
तर आमी जे कॉम्पिटिशन आमच्या भुरग्यांनी घेतला त्या कॉम्पिटिशनाचें आसा नांव रोबो रेस सो रोबो रेस म्हणल्यार ताका 4 मोटर आसात आनी हो ताका रिमोट दिल्लो आसा आनी ताजेर ताका पावर दिवन ते हर्डल जे आसा पळय ताजो ट्रॅक तो तांच्यांनी क्रॉस करपाचो आसा सो पयले सुवातेर हांव जे ऑर्गनायझींग कमिटी आसा तांचे एकदम देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक आमच्या भुरग्यांक हो रोबोटिक्स जो विशय आसा तो तांच्या मदीं एक आमकां तळमळ दिसल्या की आमच्या भुरग्यां पर्यंत हो विशय पावोंक सोदता, तर हांव तांकां मना काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ताच्या फुडें हांव जे आमचे सरकार आसा ते सुद्दां जे एकाडेमिक्सान हो रोबोटीक विशय हाडूंक सोदता पळय, तेन्ना आमचे जे CM प्रमोद सावंत आसा तांचे कडल्यान म्हाका खुबदां मेळ्ळा अनुभव की ते हो विशय आमच्या भुरग्यांक पर्यंत पावोवपाक जे खटपट करता तांचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आतां कितें आसा, हो विशय नवो आसल्या कारणान सगळ्यांकूच तशी क्लॅरिटी ना, सो आमकां आवय बापायंक ताजी मातशी धडपड करची पडटा. आनी एज युजल आमचो कसो विशय आसता की आमी एकदां स्कुलान धाडलो काय टिचरींनी ताका शिकोवप म्हणून, सो आनी आमचें लक्ष जास्त करून जायना. पण जेन्ना हांव ह्या विशयान गेलो तेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें की टिचरींक सुद्दां ह्या विशया बद्दल जास्त खबर ना. त्या खातीर आमी ह्या हातून जाय ती स्टडी करून हाज्या खातीर कितें लागता, तर ताका आर्डिनो म्हणून लागता, जाचेर आमी प्रोग्राम घालूंक शकता. मागीर ताका मोटर्स लागता जे आउटपूट दिता. हे सगळे कितें कितें किट लागता ताजी आमी स्टडी केली. परत जे कोण एक्सपर्ट आसा ते सुद्दां इजिली अवेलेबल ना. सो हांव सरकाराकूय रिक्वेस्ट करता की जाता तितले बऱ्यांतले बरे एक्सपर्ट तांच्यांनी स्कुला पर्यंत पावोवपाचे. हांव तशेंच कॉर्पोरेट जे आसा पळय तांच्यांनी CSR एक्टिविटी करता पळय ते स्कुलां खातीर खूब बेनिफीट करता. सो ह्या एक्सपर्टांचो जो कॉस्ट आसा तो CSR एक्टिविटींतल्यान आमी तांच्या एक्सपर्टा पर्यंत पावोवन ताचो खर्च सुटून आमच्या भुरग्यांक बऱ्यांतले बरो एक्सपिरियन्स मेळचो अशे आमी प्रयत्न आवय बापायनी करूंक जाय, टिचरांनी करूंक जाय. दुसरे टिचरांकूय हो विशय नवो आसा. जो पर्यंत टिचर्स मेहनत घेवचे ना आनी स्वता समजून घेवचे ना की हो विशय कितें आसा, ते कोडिंग करपा खातीर जे शिक्षण घेवपाक जाय ते टिचरींनी स्वता ट्रेनींग घेवपाक जाय. आनी आयज काल हे जर 5वे 6वेचे भुरगे जर ऑनलायन पळोवन जर यूट्यूब बी पळोवन ट्रेनींग घेवंक शकता, जाल्यार आमचे जे कंप्युटर टीचर आसा तांच्या सरकार जे पगार खर्च करता ते सुद्दां ही मेहनत घेवन हो विशय समजून घेवन एक जर टिचर शिकलो जाल्यार स्कुलान कमीत कमी 50 किंवा 200 भुरग्यांक शिकोवंक शकता. सो टिचरीनूय बियॉन्ड वचून आपण स्वता हो विशय शिकून घेवपाचो आनी जाता तितलो आमच्या भुरग्यांक तो इजी करून दिवपाचो. तशेंच आवय बापायनूय आपूण ह्या विशयान जाता तितले आपल्या ऐपती प्रमाणे लक्ष घालून भुरग्यांक सपोर्ट करपाचो आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक जाता तितलो सपोर्ट करून ह्या विशयान जाता तितले एक्सपर्ट करपाचे अशें म्हाका ओवरऑल दिसता.
From morning, since morning the competition is organized here. So how has been your experience?
It has been good. Like we have been testing a lot of things, and we have occurred failures, but then we overcome it, and then we try our best to win the competition.
How many competitions you are participating? Is it the race?
Yes, it's the line follow only, Lego line follow.
आयज आमी असले कंपाल इंडोर स्टेडियम हांगासर आनी हांगासर रिजनल चॅम्पियनशीप 2024 रोबोटिक्साचे कॉम्पिटिशन हांगासर ऑर्गनायज जाल्ले. ह्या निमतान 5 कॅटेगरी आसल्यो आनी त्या कॅटेगरींतले प्रत्येक कॅटेगरींतले 3 कॉम्पिटिटर्स हे फुडें नॅशनल लेवला खातीर वयपाचे आसात. ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनांतल्यान भुरग्यांक एक प्रोत्साहन मेळटा आपले टॅलंट दाखोवपाक, टिचर्सांक प्रोत्साहन मेळटा की भुरग्यां कडल्यान तो टॅलंट तेंचो भायर काडपाक. आनी अशा प्रकारचे कॉम्पिटिशन्स आनीक ऑर्गनायज जावचे जेणे करून न्यू बडिंग जे कॉम्पिटिटर्स किंवा जे न्यू स्टुडंट्स येतात तांकां एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळटलो आपले टॅलंट दाखोवपाक.